Looking to learn coding or tech skills online, Tutedude promises personal mentors and a full refund if you finish. But is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Tutedude is an online learning platform started by IIT Delhi graduates in 2020. They offer 25 courses in coding, data science, UI and UX design, and digital marketing. The big difference here is you get a one-on-one mentorship and live doubt solving, not just recorded videos. They've got over 40,000 students and have solved more than 100,000 doubts. The courses are self-paced, so you learn at your own speed. You get 3 months from enrollment to finish everything, including assignments and projects. Here's the hook. Tutedude offers a 100% refund policy if you complete the course within 3 months. That means if you do all the work, watch all the lectures, and finish all the projects, you get your money back. Sounds amazing, right? But there is a catch. You have to actually complete everything. If you don't finish, no refund. So, what do people like? Some users say the mentors are helpful and respond quickly when you're stuck. The courses are hands-on with real projects. They also offer placement help and stipends for some programs. Courses are affordable and designed by industry experts, plus you can learn at your own pace without strict deadlines stressing you out. But not everyone's happy. Some people complain that mentors take way longer than promised to reply, sometimes not until the next day. Others say the website lags and sometimes doesn't even show your purchased courses. A few users feel the course content isn't deep enough for advanced learners. And remember, you only get that refund if you finish everything in 3 months. That can be tough if you're busy. So, is Tutedude worth it? If you're serious about learning and can commit to finishing in 3 months, the refund deal makes it low risk. The personal mentorship is a plus compared to just watching YouTube videos. But if you need a reliable support or advanced content, you might want to look elsewhere. It's decent for beginners who are motivated and disciplined. That's Tutedude for you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.